Welcome to Money Academy, your go-to channel for making money online. AI is changing the game, and if you're not using it to make money, you're missing out. Whether you want to boost your freelancing income, start a new online business, or build a side hustle, AI tools can help you generate at least $100 every single day, sometimes even more. From automation to content creation, AI is revolutionizing industries, making it easier than ever to work smarter, not harder. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful AI tools that can help you earn money online. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking for extra cash, stay tuned because number 6 can literally do the work for you. Let's dive in. 1. ChatGPT. AI-powered freelancing. ChatGPT is your ultimate personal assistant for content creation, coding, and even customer service. You can use it to write blog posts, YouTube scripts, or even do academic tutoring. Many freelancers are already making $100 plus per day just using ChatGPT alone. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour are full of opportunities for AI-assisted writing, so don't miss out on this growing trend. 2. Midjourney. AI art and graphic design. If you have an eye for design, Midjourney can generate stunning AI-generated artwork that you can sell as prints, NFTs, or digital assets. Websites like Redbubble, Gumroad, and Etsy allow you to set up a passive income stream by selling AI-generated art. Whether it's posters, t-shirts, or album covers, the demand for unique digital art is skyrocketing. 3. Pictory. AI video editing. Pictory is an AI-powered video editing tool that can turn text into high-quality videos in minutes. You can create YouTube faceless videos, TikTok shorts, or even ad videos for businesses. Many content creators are using Pictory to run multiple YouTube automation channels, earning thousands per month through ad revenue and sponsorships. 4. Jasper AI. AI copywriting. Need to write sales copy, product descriptions, or even entire books? Jasper AI is a top-tier AI-powered writing assistant that helps businesses craft persuasive content. Many digital marketers, e-commerce sellers, and entrepreneurs use Jasper AI to boost conversions and make money through affiliate marketing, blogging, and email marketing. 5. DALL-E. AI image creation for businesses. Businesses need custom visuals, and DALL-E makes it easy. You can create unique images and sell them to brands, bloggers, and website owners. Combine this with print-on-demand platforms to sell AI-generated t-shirts, posters, stickers, and even book covers. The possibilities are endless. 6. Synthesia. AI avatar and voiceover generation. Synthesia allows you to create AI-generated avatars that speak in realistic human voices. This tool is perfect for explainer videos, corporate training materials, and YouTube content. Many companies are willing to pay top dollar for professional AI-generated video content. You can offer this service on Fiverr, Upwork, and even LinkedIn. 7. SoundRaw. AI music generation. Ever wanted to create music without knowing how to play an instrument? SoundRaw lets you generate custom AI music, which you can sell on platforms like Audio Jungle, Pond5, and YouTube's content library. AI-generated music is in high demand for video creators, businesses, and game developers. 8. Fleeky. AI-powered audiobooks and podcasts. Fleeky turns text into human-like voiceovers, making it perfect for audiobook narration and podcasting. You can offer voiceover services on Fiverr, or create AI-generated audiobooks to sell on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. The audiobook market is booming, and this tool can help you tap into it with ease. 9. Canva AI. AI-powered design tool. Canva AI simplifies design work, allowing you to create stunning thumbnails, social media posts, and marketing materials in minutes. Small businesses and content creators are always looking for graphic designers. Turn Canva AI into a money-making machine by offering social media management, ad design, and branding packages. 10. Replica. AI chatbot monetization. Replica is an AI chatbot designed for companionship, but did you know people are making money by offering AI-assisted coaching or relationship advice? You can set up a subscription-based chatbot service using AI to provide guidance, entertainment, or even emotional support. Final thoughts. AI is revolutionizing online income. AI is changing the way we work, and these tools can help you start making at least $100 per day, if you use them wisely. Whether you're looking for freelance gigs, passive income opportunities, or full-time AI-driven businesses, these tools can give you a head start. Which AI tool are you most excited about? Let me know in the comment, and if you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to Money Academy so you never miss out on new money-making strategies. Share this video with your friends who need extra cash. Until next time, keep hustling and keep winning.